Hello traders, today I'm going to show you how I make again over $10,000 profit in one trade using RRC strategy. This trade was very simple, very fast. It was on the beginning of the London session and exactly before the 5% range, which is now a restriction on the top step. I post the trade on my Twitter as always. Okay, here I catch a little bit later entry on the top step because first I was entering on the apex. This entry you can see here and here. It was after the big candle close. I enter here on this retracement and then on this candle, and I put my stop loss above the RRC. Take profit also here, and I take $300 per 5 account, okay, per each account. And on the apex, I took better entry, 761. It was market entry in at this level. We can check here. 761 I enter here after I see a really huge volume when this candle start building and this candle have no bearish wicks, then I just put my market entry in and my stop loss around here to have 1.52 R. Okay, originally I was risking around 180 to $200. You can see on this screenshot, I reduced my stop loss on 121 and the take profit was 543 on 20 Apex accounts, and it was over $10,000 from Apex and $1,500 on the top step. Then this was the trade. Trade was based on 15 minutes order block and 5-minute fair value gap. And now I'm going to show you how I did it, why I did it, and all the reasons behind that. As we know, we are highly bearish since the last week. Then, as always, we start with the direction, okay, with the bias. Now, a huge role in the market is playing the fundamentals, which is Donald Trump speeches and all the retarded stuff what he's doing. You can see the market is really crashing for last days. Consolidation, crash, consolidation, crash. And this downtrend, consolidation, crash. Now a little bit retracement, again down. Then I was bearish, of course. Friday I took long, but it was not. I will not long now from 15-minute or 1 hour point of interest. Okay, I took long from daily point of interest Friday. A video is also on the YouTube channel, and you can go check it out. Because from the daily chart we can expect some, I don't know. This was 100 points move, yeah, in this high volatility market. You can expect that move from the daily point of interest if you go against trend even, because it will be like pullback. But now we go with the trend, and if we check the 15 minutes time frame, sorry for the noise, the trash car is going on the street right now. Now should be better in few seconds. Okay, if you go on the 15 minutes time frame, we can see bearish order block, this one. Okay, I know ICT teach you it's the last bullish candle, but my version of order blocks is different. I explain it in multiple videos. I can explain it here again. When you have swing high, the highest candle is your order block. After candle after it, close body below it. And best when it's on first attempt. It's not, don't make just wick and close back here and then next candle, but when on the straight first attempt, the candle close body below it. This candle confirm our order block, okay? Then now we just have pullback back, but it was so huge range, then I just go to the 5-minute and find some confluence inside it. What is wrong? Okay. And I just find some confluence, and here the only confluence was this 5-minute fair value gap, and here was also the 5-minute order block. Okay, this candle is also order block on the 5-minute, but this fair value gap was really nice, and here was also the inversion fair value gap inside of it. Then I was looking for this 5-minute fair value gap to be tapped as my sniper entry, and at 8 o'clock my time the London open. And it was exactly after the open. Now we can go to 30 seconds time frame. I can put this all away, and I can delete also this and top candle we can leave. Okay, now if we go to the 30 seconds, we see we are now inside the 15-minute order block, but it was a huge range. Then now we wait or the entry from the 5-minute fair value gap or from CE from the 50% of 15-minute order block. Okay, it's also another possibility which I was waiting for. But here you can see we got top of the 50% level with this candle. Okay, and would mean candle before it have lower low, it's our RRC candle. If you don't know what is stop candle and RRC, in the right corner of this video should be link to the video where I explain RRC strategy to the details. And if the link is not here, if I forget to put it there, you can go on my YouTube channel, and it's the oldest video on my channel. Okay, it's oldest video on my YouTube channel. First video I ever upload is explaining RRC strategy to the details step by step. Then go check it out. Okay, then now we got top candle, we got RRC, and now we wait for the strong candle and confirmation down. On the apex, I entry after I saw this because I don't know if it's possible to see on replay tool, but on the live market it was pretty visible. The volume was growing. Okay, we can go on the slow speed. And no, it's not visible anyway. Okay, I just market entry here on this candle when it was creating. Something is wrong with my connection, it's really slow. Okay, then when these two candles show bearish power, we close also one inversion fair value gap here, if you watch also that, and we create here the order block, which is now validated by this candle close below it, and we are getting bearish confluences, a nice reaction from 50% level. Okay, we are fundamental bearish, technical is bearish. Then now in the when I see how this candle is creating, not even wick, okay, just straight down, I market entry on the apex around this level, and I put my stop loss somewhere here. I always try to have my stop loss between $150 to $200. Okay, then it was somewhere here, and I was targeting these lows. But from my experience, and this can help you with your take profits, I don't always target the swing, because what can happen, price came down here and make SMT, for example, okay, divergence with the ES, and go up without taking your profit, or just price sometimes react from this small order block. It's also happening so often, and you end up break even or you end up lose just because of, I don't know, $20 difference. It's not worth it. I always put my take profit on the wick of the lowest candle in case of swing low. Okay, then this was my target, and it was 1.67, 1.5 around, but it was more because I put my potential stop loss here, and I take profit around $500. As you can see here, it's 543. And on the top step you can see my entries later, because first I always entry on the apex because that's more accounts and the more responsibility. I try to get better entry. On the top step I was waiting for the candle close, and then I entry. I was waiting if price makes some pullback or not, but you can see this candle have extremely huge volume. Okay, and also volume delta was huge, and also on this candle you can see the candle is small, but the volume delta was really bigger than the candle before, which was green and had anyway delta volume, which means seller was more there. But now we got under candle. I was expecting some pullback, sharp pullback after this candle, but that was not happening. Then I see it will just go straight down, and I entry on this candle on the top step and put my stop loss above the RRC to have 1.5 R. It was somewhere like this. I don't know exactly. I was entering on the micros, and I have second entry around here. If you check it, this was first entry, and here on the pullback on this level, I second entry, and my take profit was the same, and then just nice drop down, and this candle closed my profits also on the top step. As you can see, it's the same candle. It's this candle here, okay? And it was taken on 5 top step accounts, and I was done. Yeah, like I sit behind computer 7:45 morning my time. At 8 o'clock the London session opened, and 8:20 I was done. Then this is the huge benefit of the RRC strategy. Trades are very fast and very simple. Strategy is very simple. All you need is direction. You just go on 5 minute time frame and zoom out. I'm using often equilibriums, like 50% levels on the higher time frame ranges, and you wait for tap candle, which means you tap the point of interest and then the confirmation of the RRC candle. Sorry guys. Leave the nice volume and you just enter in. It's that simple. One trade per day. Win or lose doesn't matter. Just take the trade and go away. And yeah, it's simple like that. I post my trades every day on my Twitter, okay? Every day I share all my trades. I often post also the entries, but people don't like the screenshots from the Ninja Trader because it's like old and ugly. Then I don't post them so often. I better post TradingView. You can see it's much more cleaner. But sometimes I post also entry because somebody can think I just show it on TradingView and maybe I trade different trades or shit like that. But no, it's only RRC for me almost 2 years now. Only RRC trades. Then and this is the result, okay? I have March, I think. March I have full green on the top step. Yeah, when I go check, I post it around here. March was for me full green. Wait. Yeah, it was here. I closed the March full green, taking 3 payouts from all accounts, okay? It was consistent account here, I risk a little bit less. But I took 3 payouts in 1 month from the top step. Also, I post payout confirmations. And also, I see a lot of you guys who are not even inside my private Discord group. You are tagging me, like this guy, the Alchemist, and he make nice RRC trades, and he learned only from my YouTube channel. He's not even in my private Discord group, okay? And he making nice trades. This guy is inside of my Discord group, okay? And this is the today day. If you want to have more information about the Discord group and premium videos and how to get access to the premium videos where I explain extra confluences for the RRC strategy, which will really help you to get better win rate around 80%. And now I am working on more videos. I will add them this month to the private Discord group. And these videos, there will be information which I gained from the last around 6 months of journaling the RRC trades, and I noticed some details which can help a lot with the win rate, like it can gain 5-10% win rate again. In this video is all information you need to know about my Discord group if you are interested, okay? And here is some of my reports. For here I had 3 months 98% win rate. Here was also 2-3 months with Tradify 85% win rate. I took around 5 payouts from one account. And this is the stats. Also all trades I was posting on my Twitter, you can still find it on my profile. Here is some feedback from the students. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you have some questions about some concepts or point of interest, or you are just interested in something, let me know in the comment, and I will try to explain that stuff in the next video if I can, if it's possible, of course. I don't say I know everything, but if something is not clear for you, just ask in the comments and I will try to do it try to cover it in the next video. That's all from me for today. Thanks for your attention, guys, and have a nice day.